Jonas, where are you? You're sleeping? Oh, night-night, Jonas.
Yeah, Mommy.
What? You want me to lay down with you? Okay, I'll lay down with you in just a minute. Oh. Oh my goodness, were you snoring? Are you snoring like Grampy snores? Gracious. Yeah. Did Grammy teach you to snore like that? Did Grammy show you how to snore? Yeah. Hey Jonas, can you sing me Paw Patrol? Woohoo! Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Something on the double. Yeah. Thank you for singing me the Paw Patrol song. Hey, Jonas, can you do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Uh-oh, Sam's not going to be happy with you wrecking his Noah's Ark boat. Okay, Jonas, can you do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Usually it's Twinkle Twinkle something something. Okay, night night, Jonas. Oh, he's back. Hi. What? What's the matter? What? Uh-oh. Do you think Sam's gonna be mad? Yet? Yeah? Should we say I'm sorry, Sam? When Sam comes down? Oh. Yikes. Hey, wear your glasses. Yeah, can you put them on? Almost. Kind of. Thank you.